Yes, good evening all. Mm, Good evening all. I hope I'm audible. Can you anyone please comment in live chat so I can move forward? Am I audible? Is there any technical issues? You can just let me know through the comment section. Okay. So students are joining on the way. So meanwhile we can do some analysis related to news. Okay. Okay. Okay, sir, start the session. My buyers are downward. Gold will go up to 3280. Okay, and yes, yeah, sound okay. Sinu Babu, hi, Sinu. Sabik, yes, clear, okay. And Rashid, good evening, all. Yes, okay. Mm, So let's start from the Forex factory. Okay. So this is tomorrow Monday, right? August 25. Mm. So almost in the year month last week ആണ്. This is the last week in this month, and also August, and already we mentioned in the last week, August 15th. This mid of the August will be the reversal for the market, and also market. That reversal is already happened on the last Wednesday. So now gold is just changed its trend, and the structure is also changed. Okay, you can see the last day what happened in the market make an impulsive movement. Okay, yes, hi, good evening all. Mm, Good evening, very good evening. Gino Chapo, yes, hi Gino. Naufal, hi. So first we can start from the Forex factory, from the economic calendar. So on Monday, August 25, we can see in 2:45 news there is a news in NST. That's a retail sales, and some medium impact news are there for tomorrow, and also on 6 p.m. There's a new home sale result is waiting. The forecast is 635. Okay, so that is also a medium impact news. There will be not much movement on Mondays, as we already mentioned about that. Okay, but we will get good opportunities on evening time, I hope. So yes, so hi Kasim, hi. Mm. Yes, so on Tuesday we can see an August 26th is a very important day for the market. Okay, I think it is already mentioned in all our communities. 26 is a very important day for the market. So here also we can see there are only few newses left on medium impact news, and there is a high impact news in Canadian dollar. That is Bank of Canada Government McCallum speak. Okay. Then next, I think the one, two, three, four medium impact news are there. Again, it's okay, but the 26th August 26th is very important. Okay. So next, Wednesday, August 27th, we can see there is no much moment news on the market. But on morning 5:30 a.m. at the time of Asian market, I think, right, is 5:30 a.m. we can see there's a huge high impact news in AUD. Okay, that's a CPI news. Okay, so next on Thursday, coming Thursday, there are high impact newses, GDP, unemployment claims, and preliminary GDP price index, and pending home sales index. So there's a high impact news on 4:30 after opening the New York session. Okay, and in CHF we can see there's a GDP news is also coming, and yes, and we can see on Friday morning 2 a.m. there's FOMC member Waller speaks after closing the New York market, right? And the Tokyo core CPI, that's also medium impact news. This, and if you can see Friday on 4:30 GDP news in Canadian dollar, and also core PCE price index. also there in US dollar. That is a high impact news. So from the I can see that 31st August is Sunday and 30th August is also Saturday. So this is the last week of this month. So this week is very important. High movements we can see because this is the closing of the month, right? And yes, again we are coming to the gold chart. So what you guys are expecting in gold? That I want to know. I got 27 odds regarding the gold. I already posted a post. What about XAU? 59 percentage out of 27, 59 percentage voted for the up. Okay, and 41 percentage is into down. Okay, so what we can understand from that, so it's almost a 50-50, but most of them already expecting into uptrend. Okay, so what price you are expecting? Next halting zone will be there, will be where? Anyone can say in live chat what you are expecting. So if I get from your side, so I can say from my side. So as per Elliott, market is showing into upside. Okay, but what happened? So anyone expecting the price will reach 3400 for the coming month? Oh, perfect traffic. Oh, yeah, 3409. Okay, yeah. So the same thing what I am expecting also. Kashyap 3400. Yes, nice. Okay. So as per Elliott, market is also saying market is going up, and you can see here market created last day, market created a change of character, and again market break 1 2 structures and just break the previous old high also. That high is already made. That is the high of the mid August, 14th August. Okay, so that's why market is rejecting from that price. And you can also see that in 50 minutes time frame there is a pattern is forming. Which pattern is, anyone can say? Which type of pattern? It's a bullish pennant, right? So market is already forming a bullish pennant, but there's a chance because on Monday most of the market will be sideways. So what I am expecting is this bullish pennant will be maybe act as a bullish flag. Okay, maybe market will just break the trend and market will act like a flag pattern like this. This is also possible. Maybe market will comes to the 382 zone. So I will take a new fresh chart. That's better for your understanding. Yeah, here you can see market already make a huge buying. There's a huge impulse movement, right? So what I am expecting, overall trend is uptrend. I am also expecting the price will reach to 3400 level. Okay, but within that we need to understand. See, now still market didn't reach the 236 level. So what I am expecting on Monday, market will act as a flag pattern. Two options are there. Okay, then market will touch 382, nearest to 382 level. So you can see I am coming to the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, maybe what happened, market will touch the 236 then break out. Okay, then market will reach 3400. Yeah, the same price 3409 and 3415 price range. Okay, or market will comes to 0.382 level, that is the price range is 3356. Okay, then market will break into the, then we can expect the price will reach into this price range. Okay, or there's another possibility is that market will break the pennant pattern and will directly go to the, just wait, yes, market will directly move to the 3410, 3410 സോൺ വരെ ഞാൻ എക്സ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. അത് കാരണം എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ യു ക്യാൻ സീ this is the August 8. Okay, that is the previous this month high, and still you can see this month is still not closed, and here you can see this is the July high. Okay, so this both area will act as a resistance area. Okay, so that's why I am told you market will touch this point. And you can also see that market is following a Elliott triangle movement, 0 A B C D E. This E wave we can expect, maybe the E wave will be very small one. Okay, so what I am expecting now, market is in the D wave. Okay, C to D wave. In that we can find a ABC, right? So you can see this is a 0 and this is a and this is a B and this is the C. Okay, so and you can see this is a 5 and this is a 3, and now market is going for the next 5. Okay, so what I am expecting, market will reach at least, you know, the how to plot the extension. At least we can expect the price will reach us to 618 level. Okay, maybe there will be some truncation will be possible, but although market will reach this zone, then after that we can expect the C D to E wave. Okay, that will be very small. Okay, then we can expect the next biggest movement in the gold. Okay, so what you can expect, I can show you the internal waves. That is a 0 1 2 3 4 5, and again you can see the 0 A B C completed. Now next we can expect a diagonal movement, that is according to the market trend. Maybe this will act as a clean 5, or we can expect a 0 1 2 3 4 5. So this movement is, or this correction will act as a what? It's a zigzag movement, 5 3 5 movement. Okay, so after that we can expect a correction, and also you can see this is a resistance zone, and there is August high is also there and July high also there. Okay, so at least we can expect the maximum range, what I can say, that is 1.272, that is here. Okay, and another one is the all time high, that is 3400. 3400. Or so is not clear, some sound is acknowledgement. Let me check from my side, just wait. Okay, now anyone please check, because I heard curve. Okay, let me check. Okay, so now what about my sound? Anyone can please reply. Anyone can please confirm, please. Now okay, okay. Okay, now it's okay. I think let me share my screen. Okay, okay. So what I'm expecting, so there's some comments, sound is okay. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, so what I'm expecting, market will at least reach 3409, and that is the biggest zone. From here also we can expect the next three, or maybe market will directly hunt that 5, maybe extend into 3490 also. That is 1.272. Okay, so that is the analysis for the gold. So next we can comes to the BTC. So in BTC you can see market is, I will just hiding the XAUUSD pattern. Okay, I'm expecting there will be no rate cut for the coming thing days. Okay, I think they will be stable. Let's see what happen. So in Bitcoin you can see market just creating a 5. You can see 0 1 2 3. It's like a expanding wave. Okay, so next movement we can expect at least into 1 lakh, below 1 lakh 10,000. We can see this was the movement. This is a big movement, but market came below within how much, you can see almost within 23 bars, 25 bars, market again came to the discount. Okay, so don't trust, this is a bull, maybe it's a bull trap. And also market collected the old high, and we can, I can, what I am expecting in BTC, market will take one more low. You can see market, this is a equal low. This is a possibility only. Okay, but you can see the last movement was a very big movement. So in crypto we can see market will be very volatile. Okay, okay, so what I am expecting, two reversals what I can expect. Maybe market will create one more low, then market will reverse from this zone. Okay, so this is the movement what I am expecting in BTC. And also I will show you some, yeah, you can see market is creating in higher time frame. You can see I'm coming to a daily time frame or a 4-hour time frame. So this is the reversal zones I am expecting in BTC. Okay, so this is the 2024 high. Okay, so the next BTC movement I am expecting, market will tap the 2024 high, then market will create the next all time high. This is the moment I am expecting in BTC. And also you can see this is a broadening triangle, and you can see it's like a torch pattern. Okay, if I say like that, and you can see that market is came like, see this kind of moment. We can see there are 5 waves you can see inside of that broadening channel. So next, after collecting the previous low, so what happened, market will touch 2024 high. Okay, then I am expecting in next all time high, that will be the biggest movement what I am expecting. The market will reach 150k. Okay, so you can make that tomorrow. Show me okay, 1,50,000 I am expecting next moment. That will be the biggest rally, I think. Yeah. Next, how rate cut? Okay, done. Shami enough. Sir, can you make live trade tomorrow? Yeah, sure. Okay, as per your recommendation, which time I want to take the live trade, you just mention. If I am free, I will be available. But surely I will do. If you inform me, then I will do. Okay, so the next reversal movements that I am expecting from 1,10,000 to 1,08,000 level, I am expecting the reversal. Or what I am expecting, market, if market continue to fall, then market will take the deep discount. Then I am expecting the next biggest wave in the invalid. But this is not possible, but this we can possible nearest below within 1,10,000 to 1,08,000. That we can possible. Okay, so next we are coming to EURUSD. So as you all can see, we already put a trade last week in EURUSD, but market didn't collect our order, but the already collected the order in gold. But what happened here, market, see, you can see what I am expected. This is the low and this is the high. What I am expected, market will came to the 0.5 zone or 0.618 zone, then market will reverse. But what happened, market reversed from this XABCD zone. Okay, that was a powerful moment. You can see market reversed from this 886 zone, but what I am expecting, market will reach 1.272. Okay, so that was a missed trade. Next we can expect a fall after collecting the previous high. Okay, that I am expecting that wave will be 5. Okay, so next one is I am coming to Ethereum. So that's a very important thing. We have to make sure that Ethereum was a good moment, and this is the analysis what we are predicted on the last week. You can see market make the diagonal movement, after that market reversing, right? So this moment we already predicted that the market already took 4063 level zone, and market make a new all-time high, and now market is coming to the $5,000. So that's a rounded figure. We can expect one more correction after hitting the $5,000, and now this is the all-time high. And see, you can see, I will show you one more chart. Ethereum, yes, yeah. So here you can see this was the entry that we are given in our Wipscraft community. Okay, so here you can see how was the trade, right? After collecting our order, market directly hit our target, and that previous equal high acting as a support. Okay, so our target price now becomes the support. So next, market is already hit the new all-time high. So what I am expecting, market will at least reach $8,000, $8,500. But the first target what I am expecting is of 6,500, $6,000 level. Between 6,500, I am expecting the next target is this, and now this area will act as a support, but we need to wait. Okay, and also you can see. Okay, can you check surround again? Let me check from my side once again. Sorry for that. Okay, now I think it is clear. Let me check from my side. Sorry for the some technical issues. Let me check from my side. Sorry for the. Okay, now it's okay, fine. Okay, correct. Okay, now okay. So we are facing some technical issues. So from the next week we will resolve it. Once again, sorry. Okay. Okay, so let's comes to the ETH again. Okay, so what I am expecting, market will at least tap this trend line, then only we can expect the next reversal. Okay, so this area will act as a support zone. You can see previously what happened in the market in 4-hour time frame. You can see market just act as a support here. That was a good buying zone, and now market creating new all-time highs. Okay, so we can say the old season is almost going to start soon. And if you check the I will show you one more chart, that is BTC ETH. I think I already updated in our channel, that is Delta Blockchain Academy. We can find in, you can check the weekly chart already. I am updated. At I am expected BTC ETH chart came to this zone. Okay, so why this is falling when the market is going up? So the thing is, now the Bitcoin price in Ethereum is only 23 Ethereum. If you have 23.24 Ethereum, you can buy one Bitcoin. That what is represented by this chart, BTC ETH. Okay, so now you can see because of Ethereum is going to creating new all-time highs. That's why this chart is coming to down. Okay, so next one is, so where we can find some divergence and we will get some trading opportunities also. So that we can come for the next chart. I am coming to USDJPY. Yeah, okay, here you can see what I am expecting. The last fall for 2 hour candle, you can see that was a very strong. So this moment what I am expecting, market will comes to 236 or 382, then market will again continue to fall. But this is a liquidity area. This is the last week low, I think. Then maybe two possibilities are there. Market will directly go and make a high, then market will fall. Okay, this is the moment we can expect in USDJPY, or else we can see a reversal from 382, then or 382 to 0.5 zone, then we can expect to this target. We already are in a buy trade, sell trade position in our euro. I think if you check our live trading community, you can check we already in a position in USDJPY. So these are the moment what I am expecting in the coming weeks. Okay, so next one is Euro GBP. So in Euro GBP we already have in a position, almost we closed this trade. So next moment what we can expect, that after reaching this zone, see here you can see that this was the previous impulse movement. Now market is rejecting from 0.5. That's why I updated in the community that market may reverse. Okay, just a second. Okay, so what I am expecting, maybe market will reverse from this level, or maybe market will touch the 0.618 then reverse. Okay, so better to close that position right now, because just a second. Yeah, yes, correct. So that last day you can see we already updated. You can see Euro GBP book profit. Now this was the entry. We closed from this zone because market just touched the 0.5 zone, so that's a premium zone. So next moment in Euro GBP, maybe we will look for a sell opportunity. Directly may market will come down, or there's some news is coming on the coming weeks, so maybe will comes and make a low. This is also possible in Euro GBP. Okay, so this is the things for today. And next we already discussed about gold, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Euro USD, USD JPY, and Euro GBP. So if you have any suggestion, or if you want any analysis from my side, you can just connect with me. I will do. Okay, so clear. So we are going to wind up this session. If you want any, if you have any question, just connect with me, then I will reply. USD CHF. Okay, let me check USD. For that I will take a new chart. USD CHF. Okay, USD CHF. Okay, USD CHF is creating weekly chart. Yeah, so USD CHF, I will take this zone Let me check from, go to settings, style, extend, right. Okay, so okay, I'm creating extended wave, right. Okay, 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 okay. So I'm expecting this is a B C expanding diagonal. I'm expecting the USD CHF will reach into 0.75 zone. That is almost a 3 by 4 dollar, right. $7.75 you price range, and this will area will act as a good support zone. And also you can see market is in downtrend market, and also you can see this was structure break, right. So next possibility, I am coming to daily time frame. You can see this is the position, and it's a descending channel actually. If you take the parallel channel and if you draw like this, you can see there is a descending channel. And also if I plot the fib level, this is the premium zone also, 3.2 zone is also there, and 0.5. Two type of movements I can expect. Maybe market will tap and come to this point, or the next thing is market will came to the premium zone then fall into this price range. So this is analysis I am expecting in USD CHF. Will you go live tomorrow? I am also interested of tomorrow live. Okay, let's see. And GBP JPY. Okay, so let's go to the GBP JPY. In GBP JPY we can simply find a triangle pattern. Now it's just breaking out, but the thing is there's a liquidity zone. We already collected that level. Okay, just it's like it's CHF now. So now market almost reached the premium and now coming to downside. And if you comes 30 minutes time frame, this was the news. Yeah, so what I am expecting in let's do one thing. 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, fine. So what I am expecting, after coming to this zone, market will again create a high. The market will be consolidated. That's what I am suggesting. This area will act as a support and this area will act as a resistance. GBP JPY will be act as a, okay. So sorry guys. Okay, now it's fine. I think. Yeah. So sorry. So this is the moment I am expecting in GBP JPY. Okay. So I am also interested tomorrow later. You just mention in the group. I will do it tomorrow after opening the new year. I will be ready for the trade. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to wind up this session. If you are interested to join the live trade for tomorrow, just message me. I will do. Okay, so thank you for joining, and very sorry for the technical issues. So the next coming week we will solve it. Okay. Okay, so oil please. Okay, for the oil, see, I am new to oil. Okay, not pro at oil, but I will do my suggestions. What I am seeing here, market is just breaking out the this strategy pattern now. Let me go to the higher time frame. Collected this highs and also collected, came to this gap up. Okay, so what I am expecting, this is a, so once you get the change of character, then so what I am expecting, if you get a change of character here, then if you get a good rally, then market will go for the next rally. This I am expecting in oil. Yeah. Okay, Sapik Sharafuddin, you can, my number is in our community, Delta's communities. If you want number, you can just check in our communities. Okay. Okay, September rate cut will be there. Postpone. This here I am not expecting from them. Okay. Sabik, please, I am not okay to give my number from live. You can just comment. Just do one thing. Check our communities. There will be my number. Okay. So, okay, so we are going to wind up this session. Thank you for joining for this live trade, and have a wonderful good night. Good night, all. Thank you.